Now, some of you may remember that little Dell Latitude, which I brought, and I am proud to announce it's officially the only computer which I'm legitimately scared of, so guess we're gonna open it now. Okay, so this has the aptly named Joe's Pewter, or Pewter, whichever one. I'll get my screws. Let's crack this bitch open. So, as far as I'm aware, this is a bit of a netbook-esque laptop. Certainly isn't in a very great state. In fact, most of the keys are missing, and the window and the screen's actually coming off.
No Sherlock.
Which is interesting. It's dirty as yeah, dirty is a good word. Definitely no swearing in this Christian server. That's besides the point. Let's get right to it.
I'm so happy, oh happy go lucky me.
My little graphics.
Worrying don't agree. Things that bother you never bother me. Things that bother you never bother me.
Oh my god, there it is. And boys, that's basically nothing. What is that? What is that? It's so strange.
Just take it from me, I'm just as free as any daughter. I do what I like, just what I like, and how I love it. I'm right here to stay when I'm old and grey. I'll be right in my prime, living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a wonderful time.
Actually, I should take out the battery first, shouldn't I? Oh, even that's coming loose. Oh boy, do I have good feelings about this. Oh my god, it's broken itself open. That's dangerous. That is Get the out of my face. That's a hazard. That's like radiation. Dispose of that battery.
I'm right here to stay when I'm old and grey. I'll be right in my prime, living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a wonderful time. Oh, isn't this a lovely band?
Can I peel this off?
Thrill it is to have them play.
Peel offable? No. Okay. Oh boy, that smell doesn't look good. Oh boy.
Every day, I don't worry, don't agree. Things that bother you never bother me. Things that bother you never bother me. I feel happy and fine, ha-ha. Living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a wonderful time.
Oh my god, the hinge actually came off. Jeez. One old piece of shit.
Just take it from me, I'm just as free as any daughter. I do what I like, just what I like, and how I love it. I'm right here to stay when I'm old and grey. I'll be right in my...
Oh, this is going to be an interesting little laptop to look into. Because, oh boy, do I have my worries. And my worries are totally tangible. Ow.
Just take it from me, I'm just as free as any daughter. I do what I like, just what I like, and how I love it.
So back to it. I don't know when it cut out, but footage cut out randomly. Oh my god.
Lucky me. I just come my way.
Okay, so I got my laptop. A lovely Asus K550IU. Okay, so you have to pry off, like, okay, I see. Let me just, okay. So, I get my screwdriver to get and pry this. I get my screwdriver, this flathead Phillips. Okay, just get off. Okay, cool. Here we are, we're inside. Cool. So, how I got inside is I had to, like, basically this was here, and I just, like, pry it off, and then screw it. Cool. Okay, cool. Oh, wow, it's, wireless connection. I saw, actually, one of these